Students can always see a full breakdown of their reports in their ALEKS course. When they're in their student homepage, up in the top left-hand corner, they'll see their student menu, and about midway down, they'll see the Reports tab. When they click on the Reports tab, they'll be introduced to all of their ALEKS reports in snapshot form rather than the full breakdown of their report like the instructors will see on their side. On all of these student tiles, you'll see different snapshots of different data points from the course. Some might be more pertinent to the student than others, and they can always drag and drop these tiles to rearrange to make it the most useful view for them. On all of these reports, they will link in the bottom right-hand corner to the full report that is just the student's report and data. If the student wants to know more about what they're looking at, they can always click that full report to see the breakdown. In some cases, they're going to be more towards our adaptive side of ALEKS with the ALEKS pie chart. In other cases, they're going to pertain more to the homework tests and quiz assignments that you have in your course. If you have a little bit of both, then all of these snapshots will be pertinent to your students. Don't forget there are multiple pages just depending on what is built into your course. You might even have up to 3 pages. Usually on the second page, you'll see a couple of these tiles that relate to our adaptive side of ALEKS with needs more practice or attempted but not yet learned. These pertain to the ALEKS topics in your course that go along with the ALEKS pathway. Needs more practice means it was lost on a recent knowledge check and just is something that the student is not retaining and something that they might want to work on. Attempted but not yet learned means it's a topic that the student has started but has not been successful with. Those are 2 great places to start when either talking with students or when you're talking with your professor about what you need to practice and what you need a little bit more help with. Don't forget, you can always view the grader report in the bottom right-hand corner, and you can always see your ALEKS gradebook by going back to that student menu and toggling over to the gradebook.